The purpose of my project was to introduce a fun way to stay healthy and develop healthy eating habits in kids. I wanted to do this project because I absolutely love soccer, and I know personally I need to work on my healthy habits too. I had to overcome some challenges. One of them was the public school system did not allow me to publicize my project there. So I had to go to other schools and publicize there. And also I went to daycares. A lesson I learned during my project was taking care of children is not the easiest thing, but in the end it's so worthwhile because you feel so much pride when they finally accomplish something that they didn't know how to do before. My favorite memory of Girl Scouts is when my troop used to hold hands in a circle and sing "Make New Friends." I feel Girl Scouts has influenced my life by letting me meet new people from all over the area, and it allowed me to go out of my comfort zone and try new things. One of the reasons I stayed in Girl Scouts was because I started to do new things that I would never have done on my own. It helped me become a better person and more outgoing.